Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 18. WordPress Site Settings. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the WordPress site settings, step by step. So let's get started. So we are on our WordPress dashboard and here we have all the options like Posts, Media, Pages, Comments, Appearance, Plugins, Users, Tools, Settings. Inside we have General, Writing, Reading, Discussion, Media, Permalinks, Privacy. So from here you can customize site settings in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 19. General Settings. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at the general settings, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.